few doors away is home to the National Art Gallery and the National Ethnology Museum, both housed in the building of the former King's Palace, the residence of the Tsar. The Ethnology Museum was first established in 1892, and its purpose is to collect, preserve, and exhibit everything connected to the Bulgarian cultural wealth, including displaying Bulgarian folk arts and craft from the 17th century to the 20th century. Now this is definitely an interesting gallery for you if you're interested in Bulgarian culture and its people. It's housed in the same building as the National Art Gallery, so you can basically kill two birds with one stone. The museum possesses a collection of more than 50,000 items organized under several categories: clothing, goldsmith craft, copper objects, ritual objects, wood carving, agriculture, ceramics, fabrics and embroideries, home furnishings, carpet from every region, as well as foreign art. In the first decade of the 20th century, the museum will qualify as one of the richest in the Balkan Peninsula. The museum has the largest collection of traditional folk dresses from every part of the country and represents detailed its structure and composition in both formal dresses for special occasion and day-to-day casual wears. The National Art Gallery was established in 1934 and moved into the palace in 1946 after the abolition of the monarchy. Currently, the gallery houses over 50,000 pieces of Bulgarian art. The palace was destroyed by the bombing raid in 1943 and 1944. However, all the paintings that it housed were preserved, and together with a loyal art collection already exhibited in the palace formed the stock of the National Art Gallery. Today, the collection includes both contemporary and national revival art, and also country's largest collection of medieval paintings, including more than 4,000 icons.